How often do I sharpen my mower blades? It depends on the user. If you are using the mower every week in your lawn and you're not hitting any stones or hitting any edges, the grass will not really blunten the blades that easily. The steel is far, far stronger than the leaf. If, however, you've got a gravel path alongside where you're cutting, and effectively you're cutting it down quite short, and you get the noise as stones go round and round and round basically with the blades, guess what? Stones blunten blades, and if you're going to do that, I suggest you might want to sharpen them every few weeks. I would probably say, as a rule of thumb, if I'm going to basically be rule of thumb, I'll probably say twice a season. Do them in the spring, do them in July. And the reason why I say do them in July is because basically in the autumn, when if you haven't got a basically sharp blade on and you're tearing the leaf off, you will basically be more susceptible to airborne disease because you want a nice clean cut. And in the autumn, you're not always going to get nice dry leaf to get the nice clean cut at all times. So therefore, what you can control is the sharpness of the blade. So yes, I'll probably sort of say sharpen basically in the springtime before you start, and sharpen again July, August time, ready for the autumn to make sure you get a nice clean cut and avoid stones. Good luck.